Using a flat panel removal tool, remove the trim below the AC vents. Using a mini Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws from the instrument cluster area. This panel doesn't have to be all the way removed, just enough so we can pull out the clock piece to the right of it. Be careful with this panel piece. The right section of it is very thin, and you don't want to pull down too hard on it. I found it best to use just your hands for the left side. It worked much easier that way. To release that Molex plug, just press down on the tab and pull outwards. Remove the bottom piece section with a flat panel removal tool just below the AC controls. Using a 10mm socket, remove 2 bolts from on top of the stereo and just below the stereo. You can see here that I'm using a magnetic pickup tool to remove the screw. Be careful not to let the screw fall back into the dash. Using 2 hands, pull the stereo out to remove the clips. Then disconnect all harnesses. All the harnesses use the same push down on a tab to release it, but this stereo Molex plug is a little different. Use your panel removal tool and from the bottom push upwards and it will release the harness.